Hey guys, my name is Frank and today we are making an Elderflower 75. It is a delicious twist on the well-known classic French 75 with the addition of St-Germain. If you don't have a cocktail shaker at home, you can use a jam jar or anything with a tight seal. I'm going to start by pouring 1 ounce of St-Germain, which really is going to bring florality and freshness. To the St-Germain, I am going to add half an ounce of lemon juice. And to this, I am going to add half an ounce of gin. I'm using a London dry gin in this case, really going to bring spiciness to the final drink. Now, right before we shake our drink, I want to pour the champagne in the flute. It's about 3 ounces. Ice it up and give it a good shake. It's going to bring all the ingredients together. I am going to pour it over the champagne. And the Elderflower 75 is going to be garnished with a delicious cocktail sherry and a discarded lemon twist. We're just going to come above the drink and give it a little spritz like that, which will release the oil and bring all the flavor together and finish our drink nicely. Et voila, the Elderflower 75. For an interesting and fruity twist, you can swap out the gin for an orange vodka.